Okay, so we already found that our equation of best fit, our line of best fit is 20, y equals 20 and 8/10 x plus 41 and 4/10. And 6 says, use your answer to question 5 to predict the number of calories in a Whataburger, which has 25 grams of fat. Now, if you've ever been to Whataburger, they are so delicious. So we'll put 25 in for x. And that works out to be 561 and 4/10 of a calories. It's okay, they taste like that. So it says, how does the answer actually compare to the number of calories predicted by your own line of best fit in question 4? Well, we really didn't do that. So let's go on. The Whataburger actually has 590 calories, and it says which line gave us a more accurate prediction. Well, we didn't have the two lines, so it doesn't matter. So this is what our line of best fit told us, even though it actually was 590 calories. Remember, it's a line of best fit, not perfect fit. Okay, so let's look at number 7. A classic roast beef sandwich from Arby's has 360 calories and 14 grams of fat. It says, what does your line of best fit predict for calories? And so we're going to go ahead and use, our y equals 20 and 8/10 x plus 41 and 4/10. And we're going to substitute that 14 in for x. And we're getting 332.6 calories. Okay, and this is reasonable because in general roast beef would be leaner. It has less fat than fast food ground beef, so we're not shocked that it's a little bit under.